Hey guys, it's Mike, aka Perm. So I'm about to show you a very easy way to bypass the Microsoft login. Just let's follow my steps real quick. So what you want to do is on your phone, you want to make a hotspot. So make a hotspot on your phone, and then have that running. And now you'll hit next, next. Alright, so this is the plan. Do not connect to your internet at home. Connect to your hotspot. So I'm going to connect to Primes. And then you put my password in. Alright, so this is the trick. So once you do that, you go in here, hit next. As it's circling, you want to turn your hotspot off. So you turn it off while it's doing update. So now what it's going to do is it's not going to be able to connect. So then it's going to force you to just make a local account. Okay, so then you get this. So accept. See, now it's making you make a local account. So I'm just going to do service. You can name it wherever you want. This, I usually bypass all this crap. Next. Okay, about that. Next. And see, so then you'll bypass that screen and then you're all set. So now let's just wait. And then bam, as you see, you log right in. And then after that, you just connect to your Wi-Fi and then you can use it, and it's a local account. If you want to add the Microsoft account in, you can still do that. Thank you guys. Please like and subscribe. Have a good one.